I'm Eric and I major in electrical engineering in National Taiwan University. And about myself, I have 3 things to talk. First of all is my personality. I have 3 important traits, and the first is, I think, is perseverance. I'm a perseverance person and I always work hard and fully concentrate on the task. For example, when I was a freshman, I'm a total novice in dancing, but I never quit. I go to teacher's workshop, practice myself over and over again, and now I am in charge of dancing activity in my department. And I think this trait makes me work more efficiently and more successfully. And being inquisitive is my principle too. In class, I don't hesitate to ask questions because to me, asking is a learning process. In asking, I will find out the weird part of a theory and come out the contradiction, so I can always find out the problem quickly and solve it fastly. And last but not least is fundamental oriented. When I touch new concepts, I will find the basic part of them, and I think in engineering, this is very important because, for example, a theory in this room has too many applications. So if we could grasp the basic foundation of that theory, and we will know how to apply them quickly and fastly. I think that is very important. And second part is professional skills. I know how to use C++ and Python because I once developed a project which is a poker game in C++, and that is an OOP class. A complete OOP class. We have to figure out all the functions, all the utility, and we develop an AI and we compete with others' AI and we got first place. And in this project, we know how to develop a complete OOP classes, and this is very important for future programming experience. And I speak English with intermediate GPT level and 830 grade in TOEIC. And the last is my future goal, and I want to becoming a software-hardware combination engineer because I love apply what I learned in real world and then see it happen. So finally, I summarize myself as a hardworking person and will never give up when I get some responsibilities, and eager of learning new things, and which is a trait that an engineer must have because technology is changing so fast and we have to catch up with them and even lead them. I think my major weakness is my expression ability because sometimes when I teach or talk to somebody, I have to talk to more than twice that they get to understand what I meant. So I'm always seeking any chance to teach people and to practice my expression ability. Let's take an example because once I voluntarily took the header of a dancing showcase and I teach them how to dance. And for every time I teach them, I improve my talking skill, and because I have to make it easier to make my voice easier to understand. So I have to think twice before talking and resemble my thoughts. Therefore, I come to know how to summarize my thoughts rather than talking without thinking. And I think having weakness is not that bad because once you know your weakness and you strive to change it, and finally you don't settle, and that is a great accomplishment in your life. I think it is hackathon event, and in this event I know how to combine software with hardware and self-learning and the process of teamwork. And we have 4 members and each is good at different realms, so the teamwork is very important. We have to combine people's work. And me, however, is responsible for programming. I learned new program function online, discover everything myself, and it is the time I know how to use Python and also the time I'm really trying to learn things myself, because all the function is all in a dictionary, and you have to look up the dictionary and know how the function works and how to use it. And also because the goal is to make a device, and we need hardware to react, and we need software to control the hardware. And that is the big point. We have to understand how to use the hardware such as Bluetooth, 7-tooth displayer, and so on. And subsequently we write a program to implement it. And as a result, this strengthens my combination ability, which is a combination of hardware and software. And totally in this experience, this is a treasure. I think that this experience is a treasure for me, because it expands my view and makes me more competitive and appropriate to be an excellent engineer.